everybody, it's Carol Billing, and today I'm going to look at ChatGPT. I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the interface, and then I'm also going to show you projects and how to organize your files so you can use ChatGPT more efficiently and effectively. So to begin, a lot of people just jump right in and ask their question here, and you can absolutely do that. But every time you ask a question here, it generates a conversation. And these conversations down here are kept. So every time you create a conversation, it's down here, like forever. The way you can get around that is you can click this little circle right here and then ask your question in the dialog box. And once you hit new chat here, whatever this conversation is will delete, and it won't go into this list of conversations that you've had in the past. So this is really handy if you're just asking a quick question or something you don't think you'll use later. Just use this little temporary chat option, and that keeps your chats a little bit less cluttered. Here, this opens and closes this sidebar here if you need more space. Going down, you have new chat, and then if you look here to the side, it gives you the quick key. Those are really handy to know if you can memorize them. A lot of times I'll put them on my monitor until I have it memorized, but that's a lot quicker way to get around. And search also has a quick key of Control K. And library is just any images that you've created in the past. Jumping down here, these are all custom GPTs. So this is one related to code that was created by OpenAI, I believe. Sora, which we all know does the images. Down here, you start with your projects, so you would click this to start a new project, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Here's a couple of the projects I've already started, and as you can see, I use a lot of projects. Each one of my kids has a project, so their conversations can go in their own folder. And then down here, if I need to search for a specific conversation, I can do that, but 9 times out of 10 I'll open this chat and then I'll look for, I was working on something for a student, then I can find what I was working on. So that's a very quick overview of the chat interface, and this again is the $20 a month, the plus membership for ChatGPT.